Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, welcome to EC Council CSCU demo videos. This video will show you some of the security settings available in Google Chrome. Begin by clicking the Google Chrome icon present on the taskbar. In Google Chrome, click the icon present in the top right corner to access the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down and click Show Advanced Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy, and then click Content Settings. Under the Cookies section, check Allow Local Data to be set. In addition, check Block Third-Party Cookies and Site Data. When this is complete, click Done. Blocking third-party cookies will prevent your online data from being tracked by advertisers. Now scroll down to Password and Forms section and uncheck Enable Autofill to fill out web forms in a single click, and Offer to save your web passwords. Unchecking autofill and web passwords will prevent theft of your personal and login details. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our other demo videos for more such security tips.